9 astonishing facts in the Quran that will surprise you. The very first one of them is origin of life. Water is essential for all living things. We all know that water is vital to life, but the Quran makes a very unusual claim. We made every living thing from water. Will they not believe? In this verse, water is pointed out as the origin of all life. All living things are made up of cells. We now know that cells are mostly made up of water. For example, 80% of the earth was struck by meteorites. These meteorites were carrying iron from distant stars which had exploded. The Quran says following on the origin of iron. We sent down iron with its great inherent strength and its many benefits for something which could not be known by the primitive science of the 7th century. Third amazing fact is the sky's protection. The sky did not exist, then the sun's radiation would have killed off all life on earth. It also acts like a blanket wrapped around the earth to protect it from the freezing cold of space. The temperature just above the sky is approximately minus 270 degrees Celsius. If this temperature was to reach Earth, then the planet would freeze over instantly. The Quran asks us to consider the sky in the following verse. We made the sky a protective ceiling, and yet they are turning away from our signs. The Quran points to the sky's protection as a sign of God. The protective properties of the sky were discovered by scientific research conducted in the 20th century. Fourth amazing fact is mountains. The Quran draws our attention to a very important